Are you ready for the next one? We're going to do the same sequence of events. We're going to go a little bit quicker. So, oh my God. We got a new leader. The whole board almost changed. Up to 15. Okay. Are you ready? Let's do it.
So this is like a...
We're done. Solving.
This was a lot simpler. I like the drawings.
Do a little better.
26 points.
Why? Let's slide back down. Ladies, down. Why solve by square roots? Why stands out? Why is that the method I chose as the most efficient? There's no middle term. So what does that mean if there's no middle term? How many unknowns do we have? Just one unknown, right? A squared unknown. So probably the quickest. Could you have factored that? Was it factorable? Okay. Could you use the quadratic formula? Would that have worked as well? Question. Does everybody have a calculator in front of them? Have we tried that? Are you ready?
Let's see it work. That's sweet. Hold it still, I want to see it. Do it again. Turn the volume up. Can you turn your volume up so you can hear? Oh, nice guys.
I accidentally uploaded it to the wrong channel.
Well, bye.
The original prompt, when it's set up to 0, you add 25 to both sides. And then 0, you 2x squared minus 50. And then you set them equal, you add 50 both sides. 50 equals 2x squared. To get to the part where you take the square root.
I don't know what you're saying.
Okay, can we do another one?
No, because I don't know what completing is.
I think that's good. I think keep going with that. I think that's good.
This one?
Yeah, keep going with what. Yeah, try to answer his question. I think that's good.
I don't know how to complete the square.
Talk him through it because that's part of your description, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay, and then do you understand why I get 49? And then when I got 49, I subtracted it from both sides, and then I subtracted from the 14.
Okay, but they're already on the same side.
How many methods did you guys come up with before you got here? How many different methods? Like how many different ways did you solve it? What ones did you use?
I didn't put down the quadratic formula Xbox, and I didn't do the same.
Okay, so you got factoring and quadratic formula. How did you do it so far?
Quadratic.
Okay. Okay, how'd you do? Completing the square? Okay, so you got one. So you got already 3 methods for sure. And then how many ways? Okay. Now the discriminant, I like that you use it.
I know.
Is it give you a solution?
No.
What's it tell you?
No solution. How many solutions there are?
How many solutions are? So you found that there was no solutions, but you would still need to finish that. So actually, you could say, so you should have a solution for all of these.
2 solutions. I didn't get a solution. I got 0.
And 0 is, it tells you how many solutions.
Does it tell you there's 2 zeros?
1. So now you know that there's 1 solution. So you should be coming up with 1 if you use the discriminant correctly. So now double check. So now you guys should be able to verify, right?
I got 2.
So you found 2. So either check her discriminant before you go any farther, or then you can go back and check yours, or discuss it. I'm not saying individually. I wish I would have got the Kahoot though. That one went different.
Oh, you wrote it down. That's the only one. No, you didn't.
I'm interested in finding out what you guys find.
Because this doesn't have, it's not minus 75x, it's just minus 75. I turned it into, so it's only, it's 2x squared.
Wouldn't you combine
Plus
these
50.
two? Wouldn't you combine these two?
Yeah, so it's 2x squared plus 50.
Oh.
Unless you just mistakenly didn't put an x there.
Or minus 50.
No, plus 50. That doesn't
Oh, you're
make
talking about
sense.
the original problem?
Yeah.
I'd have to pull up my sheet. Would you guys?
Yeah.
Our equation.
Because it should have an x.
I think that's the one that we made. Well, I think that's right.
So
You should have. It should have been. It should have been 25 equals 2x minus 75. I can tell you that now. So you did the right thing. So that right there, as it stands, is right.
But then you combine
is-
these, you need 2x squared plus 50, and then what do you do with that?
What would you do with that? How did we discuss it at the board?
Square root, but that would.
Okay, so try it.
That doesn't work. 50 is not a perfect square.
Do we say that had to be?
I don't know.
No. I get what you're saying. Does it have to be a perfect square root?
That right there.
Be 2x squared plus 50.
What do we have to do with that first?
Divided by 2.
So completing the square.
Divided by 2, and then that would be 25, so it would be x squared
You
equals
do have it.
25.
I wasn't going to tell him.
Mr.
I wasn't going to give that to him. Not right there. Not right there. Keep going.
I'll be back in like 2 minutes. I'll be back in like 2 minutes.
That's why I turned around.
Yeah, it was a big lesson study thing. So,
Are they like teachers or like?
2 of them are teachers here, Mr. Thomas and Mrs. Schuster. The other one is the instructor for the program. So she came in to view it as well to see how it went. So what we did is we did it one way here. We changed things. We all got together and talked about it and changed things and did it again different 6 hour. So 6 hour, we spent 3 times as much time on the game and talking about the different methods and made that a bigger part of it. And they actually got farther than you did with less time. They all recorded their videos because they had, I think, a better understanding of what to do when they got there. They had a better, clearer understanding of the different methods. So, and that's what the idea was, is to have people watch it and change the way they think and question strategies and stuff like that.